following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County, southeastern Washoe County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Boygan to 6 miles north of Berlin to Red Granite, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Appleton, Oshkosh, Menasha, Red Granite, Central Lake Winnebago, Lake Boygan, Rush Lake, Northern Lake Winnebago, Vina and Monroe. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows,